ocean park, local, fishing locally today, like walking distance from my house. I haven't been over here in a few weeks, so I'm hoping there's something. Hoping there's fish over here and I didn't waste my time. But yeah, stay tuned. Let's see what happens. I'm really experimenting with something different today. I boiled some eggs yesterday and I didn't eat them, so I froze it. And I'm gonna try to use it as bait. See if I could catch anything. See if these fish like eggs, or see if it's gonna stay on the hook. I don't think it's gonna make it. That's my guess. I'm still gonna try. I think I'm gonna put some bait thread on this. This is a first. If this works, I'll be boiling eggs. So while that egg stays out there, I got the line in the water with an egg. While that stays out there, I'm gonna put some sardines on this hook. These are octopus hooks. I like using these hooks. That's a finished product. I got 2 hooks in it. Got one hook right here and one hook right here, and both of them are semi-exposed, so if the fish bites, shouldn't have any issues on hooking up. My PB, my personal best, the biggest fish I've caught, came off of right there, that reef. So I'm gonna try to throw at the edge of it. The first egg that I put out there, something ate it. I have one more left. I'm gonna put it out again, see what happens. And again, I got 2 hooks in it. I got one hook here and I got another hook here, and I got them tied down with the bait thread, so they're embedded in the egg. See that? Looks different, doesn't it? Looks very much different. Try this again.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
My pliers for this one. So this is not oh actually yeah, I'm not sure if this is a mutton snapper or a lane snapper, because the lane snappers have these stripes Mutton snappers have them too, but that's how you can tell them apart. I love these hooks. You see how they hook the mustard hooks? They don't come out. Once they're hooked, it's over for these fish. He is really trying to cut me. Look at this bad boy. Pretty little mutton snapper, right? I think I'm getting a bite. So I'm getting a bite. Gonna just let him bite. He's not committing right now. And for this guy, I'm gonna put him back in the water. And now I could put him out there, let him roam around for a little bit. Hopefully he don't go underneath the rock. He'll have some free space. He's not dead. Probably just didn't realize he's good. Starting to move now. That little drone sounds like a freaking dinosaur. He's sort of moving. What do you know? I didn't even know I had a fish on. See, the way I got them set up is they're not gonna be too big for small fish, and they're not gonna be too small for big fish, the bait. So it's gonna be appetizing to anything that eats fish. And he got hooked on the lower hook, which is almost always the case. I should be doing a catch and cook with this fish, but where I'm fishing right now, I can't cook. I'm in a gated community. They don't play that over here. Put some bait thread on this bad boy. Now we're back in business. Now I want to catch the grandpa. for that mutton snapper. Funny thing is, I got a hit over on this side, the heavy hit. I didn't even realize there was a fish on that one. But we have a fish. And I think that's excellent. Excelente. To the reef. Alright, think I'm gonna just back up and bounce. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Bless up. Yo, back out here again.
Truth right there. Got him on the boat. Bringing in the motherfucking porgies. How you feel today?
Relax, you know, I'm just getting a tan. I look a little darker. You know how it is.
You know how it is.
No, heaven if you sent us down, so we could build a playground for the sinners who play as saints. You'd be so proud of what we made. I hope you got some beds around, 'cause you're the only refuge now for every mother, every child, every brother caught in the crossfire.